Okay, so now we are going to focus on all the details of the eyes. Now I'm zooming into one, but what you do on one, you're going to do the other. Que tú haces aquí en uno, tú haces aquí también. Okay, we're going to do this eye on our right. Esto ojo aquí a la derecha. Cuando se acabó, tú haces aquí. So when you're done, sorry guys, when you're done with this eye, you're going to do the same to the other. Or do it here, o tú puedes hacer aquí un paso, do one step here, stop the video, comience, and then you can go over here and do the same thing. Tú puedes va aquí y hace mismo. So tú puedes hacer uno todas, entonces otra todas, or paso y paso. Okay, so once you feel that your eyes are pretty symmetrical, you're going to erase what is here in the middle. All right, and you can look in the mirror if you'd like. Mira en tu refleja si quieres. But right here, we have this little tear duct area right there. Okay, and you can see hers is kind of like a triangle, and it's kind of horizontal. Sorry, parece como un triángulo. But if you look here, it's also a triangle. También es un triángulo, but it goes down. Va bajo. Aquí está derecha. So it's always different from person to person. Here's what you want to do. If you just want to follow me, or you can look at your eyes if you want to try to draw you. But I'm going to re-emphasize this. Énfasis un poquito. Make it a little bit darker, un poquito más oscuro. Then I'm going to put this line back in. I'm sorry, don't kill me. Let me put that line back in. I'll tell you why. If I go here, see this little space? Mira es espacio aquí pequeño. If you go here, chiquitica, and then curve down gradually, un curva gradualmente, you'll get a nice little tear duct area. I am going to do it over here as well, just to repeat it. So again, what I did was I just kind of darkened this a little, did a little bit right there. It just went horizontal, alinea aquí, right there, and then gracefully curved here, gradually curved right there. Pause the video if you need, okay? Now is when you want to erase the line in the middle. Ahora, borra la línea en el medio. Ahora aquí, y si necesito un poquito aquí. Muy suave, very gentle. So you should have an eye shape like that. This would be the side facing the nose, okay? Aquí en el lado próximo donde la nariz está. Yes. All right. Pardon my crappy Spanish, but I want to be able to get everybody to understand somewhat. Okay. So now the color part of the eye, el parte con color, that's called the iris. Se llama el iris, okay? Now it is a circle, un círculo, okay? Circle, not an oval. No está un oval, es un círculo, okay? Then right in here, the pupil, aquí el pupil, negro, that black spot, that's also a circle, un círculo. And right here is a highlight, okay? La área de la luz más brillante, all right? We've got an eyelid, which, by the way, is very different on everybody. A lot of times people put that mark as just a rainbow, and it's not. And I definitely encourage you to use your mirror. Look at you. Mira tu cara. Okay, tus ojos. Mira aquí en la refleja. All right. I want you to also note that there is a dark ring around the iris. The iris either is going to touch this bottom line or be really darn close to it or be cut off a little bit. Again, that's something that varies from person to person. And then we'll come back to the eyebrow area. So for the sake of time, I'm going to go through all these steps. You can look at your eye, pause the mirror anytime you want to see what the heck it is that I'm talking about. But what you want to do is, first we're going to sketch a circle. Dibuja muy claro un círculo. If you go outside of the eye, va fuera el ojo, you'll see that if it is a circle and not an ojo, not an oval. That is a circle. Hace un círculo. Make a circle. Do not, no hace un oval. No se hace un oval, okay? Circle. No, sí. No, yes. Remember, pause the video whenever you need. Next, we're going to put the pupil, próximo el pupil, close to here, or touch. Toca aquí. Pon en el medio, put it right in the middle, touch right there. You'll see the full circle here. The eyelid covers the circle for this, but here you're going to put right there. Toca aquí. Erase. Put a little mark. Now, again, you can pause the video as you need. You can do whatever you do to this eye, you can stop and then do it here. Tú puedes hacer aquí primero, entonces hace aquí, paso a paso, step by step. Or you can finish one eye and then start another. Or tú puedes termina un ojo y hace el otro. It's whatever you want to do. Que tú quieras hacer. All right, my next step. If I'm happy with my circle, I'm going to darken. Sorry, I keep hitting my little video holder. I'm going to darken by layering this outer line. Hace más oscuro, pero hace cuidadosamente. Do it carefully. Okay? And also también el contorno del ojo, the outer eye shape, I also want you to darken. We're going to go back to that tear duct area. So your eye is on an eyeball, and then you have this fleshy area for your tears. We're just going to put a little line right here. Una línea. I want it. So look in the mirror so you know what the heck I'm talking about. This we are going to color in black, coloras negro. Make sure it is a circle. And then the last thing in this video is we have a little lower lid line right here. Aquí tiene una línea. Mira en tu refleja. Look in the mirror or look in your phone or whatever. We have a little line here. It's called the water line, girls. It's where eyeliner sometimes goes. So what you're going to do here, starting right there, comienza aquí, you're going to put a thin little line, una línea más flaca. It will probably touch that or overlap. Very thin. And you will get that lower lid line. Take this time to clean up, do both eyes, and wait for the next video.